Welcome to the STEM Super Scientist series.
Hi everyone, it is APC Angelica and I will be talking about the different types of blood cells. So the first type of blood cell is your erythrocyte. Erythrocytes are basically your red blood cells. Those lack nucleus and they are small and red. They are disc shaped for a reason because it's ideal for gas exchange. The function of erythrocytes is just to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. Your leukocytes are basically your white blood cells. These cells do have nuclei and they do have organelles. There are two major types of leukocytes, granulocytes, which have granules, and agranulocytes, which lack granules. There are three types of granulocytes. We have neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. So neutrophils have multi-lobed nucleus, about 3 to 6, and they have granules that are stained usually blue and red. Blue just meaning that it's basic and red meaning that it's acidic. The function of it is just to phagocytize bacteria, so pierce and ingest the bacteria and attract sites of inflammation. Your eosinophils are basically bilobed. They have two, and the granules that are present are stained red, so meaning that they are acidic. The function of this is just to kill parasitic worms, and they have a role in allergy and asthma. The last type of granulocyte is your basophils. The structure is that they are usually bilobed, meaning two. They have large purplish black granules, and the function is to release histamine and other mediators of inflammation containing heparin and anticoagulant. The next type are your agranulocytes. So again, these lack granules. We have two types of agranulocytes. The first type are your lymphocytes. So your lymphocytes will have spherical or indented nucleus. The cytoplasm is usually pale and blue. So we have two different types of lymphocytes. We have T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. Your T lymphocytes basically function in immune response by acting directly at the virus-infected cell or a tumor cell, so just directly acting at that foreign pathogen, while B lymphocytes are responsible for producing antibodies released in the blood. Your monocyte, so these are U-shaped or kidney-shaped, and the function is phagocytosis, which they develop in macrophages and just ingest those foreign pathogens. And then, of course, lastly, the type of blood cell we have are platelets. So platelets are also known as thrombocytes. The structure of thrombocytes is they're really fragmented types of cells. They have a deep purple stain of granules. The function of it is just to seal small tears in blood vessels. They are responsible for blood clotting. So we talked about the different types of blood cells. We have erythrocytes, which are the red blood cells. We have leukocytes, which are the white blood cells, and thrombocytes, which are the platelets. Hopefully this helps, and I'll see you next time.
That's a wrap for today's episode of STEM Super Scientist series. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next STEM Super Scientist episode.